What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm going to do a cash out on this video. The site is called EARNABLY. The link to it is in the description. Click on the link, sign up for a free account today, and start making money just the way I'm going to show you in this video, all right? So you see here, first and foremost, I have 688 points in here. That's equivalent to $6.88. Now I'm going to show you how I get this money. This is the home page, basically. You see here they have Peanut Labs. Peanut Labs does offer disqualification points. So each one you disqualify for, you will get 1 cent. So definitely pay attention to that. Just because I know there are a lot of you guys who struggle with, getting qualified for surveys. And one of the best things you can do is, if you're going through that struggle, is to try some of the survey providers that do offer disqualification points. That way you're at least making money, regardless if you're disqualifying or not. You know what I'm saying? And then it'll kind of give you an idea of, just you'll gradually get better when you do surveys like that. So definitely pay attention to Peanut Labs. But the bulk of the money that I make, I go over here to daily surveys, and they are all in your surveys and say so surveys. Your surveys and say so surveys have really become my favorites on this site. Your surveys, they're paying like 80 cents each. And say so rewards over here, I'm gonna click on this just to kind of show you what they're offering, because they do have disqualification points as well, but they really do have a lot of surveys on here. Every now and then you got to go back and update your information. So I don't know why they had me do this like all the time. So let me do all this verification, all this stuff real quick, if I can show you, because it's maybe been like every week I have to do this. So I probably have not done it in a while, so let me good. All right, so now it's gonna show me the surveys that it has. Click on take me to a survey, and it's gonna show a list of them real quick. Now you see here all of these surveys that you have, and the thing about it is each one of them will give you disqualification points. There's a lot of surveys here. This is where I get the bulk of my money. Say so wars, I'm telling you. I'm still scrolling down here. All of these surveys, I go through and try as many as I can. And like I said, I'm going to get paid regardless. I just think for each one of these, I'm making a minimum of 1 cent. And there are so many here. So many. There's literally like 100 surveys there. So you're going to make a dollar if you just disqualify for all of them. And when you disqualify, like usually with Say So Rewards, they'll let you know in the beginning, like, okay, in the first 2 questions, if you disqualify or not. They're not one of those survey providers where you have to go through like 10, 20 questions, and they finally kick you out. Like, you'll know within the first 2 questions, so you can really fly by with these surveys, and they're really quick and easy. You see this one right here? 5 minutes for 248 points. 2 hours and 48 cents for 5 minutes of your time. Very, very good. Very much worth the time. You know what I'm saying? Another thing, you have to find surveys that are really worth the time. I'm gonna see if I can show you one that's kind of not worth the time on here. Something that I wouldn't even do because I don't think it's worth the time. I'm gonna show you something. Maybe right here, 20 minutes for 35 points. I mean, just if it's going to take you really 20 minutes to get 35 cents, I don't think that's worth it. But, one right here, like 10 minutes for 50 points, you can really get these surveys done a little bit quicker. So I'll probably do this in like 7 minutes and get, 50 cents. But the thing is, like, when people look at, oh, is it really worth the time? What you have to think is, you're doing surveys, and you could do multiple surveys on multiple sites at one time. That's what I do. That's why I'm able to accumulate my money so fast, because I'm doing surveys on this site and then another site at the same time. And then I'm making money on my phone. So I'm never just making money on one complete site. If you're doing it like that, it might be a slow grind. You can still do it like that because you can really focus. But, once you get to the point where you're really comfortable and you're really, fast at taking surveys, you can start doubling up on the surveys. So that's what I do. But when I find a site like this, when there's like so many, opportunities available, and they're paying big money like this one right here, 14 minutes for $1.20, 12 minutes for $4.54. I mean, you gotta really pay attention to that. So if I'm doing a survey like this, I'm really focused on this. I'm not doing another one. So I'm not doing multitasking surveys because I want to make sure that I qualify for this survey. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it's all about. Just really, grinding, and just putting in the work that it requires, to get paid. So that's what you can do on this site. Also, you can watch videos. Going down here to videos, they have Hideout TV and Video Fox. Hideout TV, you just basically watch, videos, and every 3 videos you will get credited. Video Fox is a player that runs for like 15 minutes, and every 15 minutes you get credited for it. You know what I'm saying? So there's money in the video section. So that's what I do on here. I really focus on Peanut Labs. your surveys and say some rewards, but you're always free to, try as many survey providers as you can. Also, one more thing I want to point out: if you go back to daily surveys, Theorem Reach, they also offer disqualification points. So I mean, there's a lot of opportunity here. You have 3 survey providers in Peanut Labs, Theorem Reach, and Say Some Reward that all offer disqualification points. So you can really, bolster up your earnings, with this site because they have lots of opportunities on it. And it doesn't matter if you're really good at surveys or really bad at taking surveys, you're guaranteed to make money with this. All right. So now I'm gonna do my cash out. Going up here to redeem, and you can redeem as little as $1 on here. You'll see the different things that they have on here: PayPal, Amazon, Walmart, Target, things like that. You can scroll down and see some more. Just kind of find what you want, and just pick that and get your cash out. But me, I'm gonna do PayPal. So I'm gonna go back up here, click on PayPal, and it will show you $1. You have to have 125 points. For $2.25 points, or 225. But when you get to $5, the points even out. And then when you get to $50 and $100, you get actually get a discount on your cash outs. The auto redeem feature, basically that is like once you get, like, say if I was working towards $10, right? I don't have $10 yet, but if I was going towards $10, as soon as I get 1,000 points in my account, it will automatically cash out. You know what I'm saying? So that's something you can do if you want. But there is a fee involved in it. There's a 1% fee, and I don't really like paying fees, so I don't get involved with the auto redeem. I just do it myself. It's not that difficult. So I'm gonna click on the $5 cash out, go to redeem now, and just that simple. So all you gotta do is click redeem because you'll already have all your information in there. Congrats, you just redeemed $5, PayPal cash, and now I have $1.88 in my account. I could cash out $1, but I like to do a minimum of $5 on this site. You know what I'm saying? So that's all it is. You just have to make sure you got your PayPal information and all that stuff already with the site. So all you got to do is click redeem and you're set to go. All right, but like I said, the link to this site is in the description. Sign up. It is easy ways to make money. They offer a lot of different ways to make it. A lot of different providers offer disqualification points. So for you guys who are not that good at surveys, you're still going to make a lot of money with this site because they're really, just looking out for everybody. All right, so sign up today with the link in the description. And always remember, every penny counts.